How to log in to the Red Parrot Staff App. Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to log in to the Red Parrot Staff App step by step. First, open your email inbox. You should have received your login details, including your username and password. Next, copy your password. Now, open the Red Parrot Staff App. Enter your email address in the email field. Then paste the password you copied earlier, or type it in manually. Once that's done, tap on Login. And that's it. You'll now be logged into the app and able to access the dashboard.